I'm partway through the project here. This is my 1979 Ford F-250 that we went ahead and converted into a Fummins with a good old 12 valve Cummins turbo diesel. As of right now, there, as you can see, there is no motor inside the truck anymore, or transmission for that matter, even though the transmission is sitting right down there, as you can probably see. Not that it didn't run good and all that, just doing some cleaning up of the truck and decided it was going to be simpler to pull the motor and all that stuff in order to be able to clean it up, and also pulled the bed on the rear of the truck to clean up the frame and respray it along with the rest of the truck. So main thing was I decided this off season for drag racing that I just wanted to clean things up, do a few small minor tweaks. We have the motor right over here, and maybe I should do a rundown on kind of what all is done with the motor as far as work done to it and other stuff with the transmission. It's nothing too insane with the truck, just a lot of fun. She is definitely a really fun street truck, and we love taking her to the track to have some good times. So let's see what we get into today then. Right now, as of right now, current plan is to take the truck out, get the hot steamer going, and kind of hit all this stuff inside underneath here. It's really oily and grimy, and same with the motor. The old motor, after a couple seasons of being in the truck and running around, has gotten some oil built up on it and grime, and I really want to redo some stuff on it and get it looking tip top for this next season's racing season. And if I decide to go places, that way it kind of cleans up and looks really nice. So yeah, we'll see. First objective of the day is to get the whole trans out from underneath the truck, because we don't have a trans jack. So we just adapt our regular floor jack to be able to use as a transmission jack. So we'll see how that goes. Trying to get that out by myself as of right now. First attempt at trying to get this transmission out. This isn't the most complicated way to do it. I'm gonna do it nonetheless. Crushed her. It's all good. Glove. Like a glove. I don't really think these are meant to be train jacks, well, that was a lot more work than I thought I was going to be getting that thing out, but it's out. Now the truck can be moved as soon as I get the rest of the stuff out to be able to wash it. Now it's time to get the parts washer, not parts washer, steam washer out and ready. As long as everything's unthawed here in the Pacific Northwest. See, still got some snow out here. Should be good to go. Yep, very high tech here, very high tech stuff going on. Everything should be unthawed and good to go. So let's set this thing up. Alright, we're about to have it ready. Just gotta get some final tweaks for we're gonna end it off there for today. Didn't quite get to being able to wash off the frame of the truck, but hopefully I'll be able to do it tomorrow, even though it's gonna be raining, so that will make it very enjoyable. Did get the motor all washed up though. Got that all washed up, and the adapter plate that was oiled up because of the rear main seal, so need to order some stuff up for the motor and get it all good to go for race season, and do some repainting on it and start tearing it down a little bit more further and put some new parts. I have some new parts on it. And then the transmission, that's another story for another day. We'll get into that coming up here. I have parts coming for that to fix what is currently broken. All right, see you tomorrow.